students, today I am in front of you along with the new topic economics, chapter 1 development. So I am going to explain you chapter 1 development. First of all, I will explain you key terms of this chapter because without the understanding of key terms you can't understand this chapter. So today chapter 1, in chapter 1 topic 1, I will just explain the key terms. Okay, so first key term is development. What is development? So development क्या होती है कि that development is that it is a term which includes increase in per capita income, increase in population, increase in employment, standard of living, reduction in poverty, etc. So you know very well कि हर एक लेवल में डेवलप होना एक उसको बोला जाता है कि डेवलपमेंट, कि डेवलपमेंट इज ऑकर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. सो नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल डेवलपमेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज नेशनल डेवलपमेंट. नेशनल डेवलपमेंट कैसे हो सकती है? इट इज अ टर्म विच इंक्लूड्स इम्प्रूवमेंट इन लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड of the people, capital in per capita income, and provide social amenities, education, medicinal facilities. When these are increased, these are already available in a country, that when we can say the country is on a path of development. So next is developed economies. Yes, developed economies. So already those countries who are already developed, that are known as developed economies. For example, USA, Japan, UK, etc. In these type of countries, there are those economies which are characterized by high level of per capita income, high standard of living. All things are on high standard. They provide to their people all things at the level of high potential, so that we can say that countries are developed countries. But some of the countries is developing right now. Developing meaning on the way to the developed countries. So we are going to explain, I am going to explain developing countries. Those economies which passing through the stages of growth and development in such way, in such economies, significance of agriculture tends to decline, whereas the independent or industrial sector grows sharply. Example, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. So these countries are developing countries. These are not called developed countries because they are surviving to achieve a goal to developed, to be a developed countries. So next is economy. Next is economy. Now economy क्या है? What is economy? It is the sum total of all the economic activities like consumption, distribution, exchange, etc. So what is production? Production क्या है? प्रोडक्शन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज प्रोडक्शन? व्हेन एन एक्टिविटी रिजल्ट्स इन वैल्यूएबल एंड यूजफुल थिंग. व्हेन एन एक्टिविटी रिजल्ट्स इन वैल्यूएबल एंड यूजफुल थिंग्स. कोई भी एक्टिविटी की जाती है तो उसका रिजल्ट जो है वो एक वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स में निकलता है. मान लो रॉ मटेरियल लाया जाता है, उसको उसके बाद उसको उस पर प्रोसेसिंग की जाती है, देन इट कन्वर्ट्स टू अ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. तो दैट इज बिकम अ यूजफुल थिंग. सो दिस इज नोन एज प्रोडक्शन. Production is not one single purpose, but this followed by three different sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. In primary sector there is a raw material. Secondary sector there is a processing on raw material. After that, tertiary sector, raw material converted into finished product and sent to the market for our. Now next point is national income. It is the total value of all the within a country plus the net income and plus the net income from abroad during a year. कि बाहर से कितनी इनकम आई है और कंट्री में इंटरनल कितनी इनकम हुई है, उसको प्लस किया जाता है, फिर देखा जाता है कि टोटल नेशनल इनकम कितनी हुई है। दैट इज़ नोन एज नेशनल इनकम। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज पर कैपिटा इनकम। यू नो पर कैपिटा इनकम, पर कैपिटा इनकम क्या होती है? ये एक पर्सन की होती है। पर कैपिटा इज द एवरेज इनकम ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ कोर्ट्स इन अ डेफिनेट पीरियड, इन अ कंट्री इन अ डेफिनेट पीरियड। एक टाइम में वो पर्सन कितनी इनकम ले रहा है उसको हम बोलते हैं पर कैपिटा। Yes students, now I will explain you कि how we can find out per capita income of a person. So there is a formula or method to find a per capita income of a person. So I am going to write here. You can find out with this formula you can find out the per capita income of a person. Yes, national income अपॉन स्टूडेंट्स नेशनल इनकम। टोटल नेशनल इनकम कितनी हो रही है उसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे पॉपुलेशन से। सी दिस नेशनल इनकम डिवाइडेड बाय पॉपुलेशन। सो हमारी पर कैपिटा इनकम आ जाएगी किसी भी कंट्री की पर कैपिटा इनकम यू कैन फाइंड from this method. Okay, that's it for the day. In the next chapter I will explain you features of development. So be ready, get ready for the next chapter. Have a nice day.